With me is Fairphone 5, and today I would like to show you how you can apply Apple layout on this device. Begin by going into Play Store and downloading free app called OS Launcher. From Launcher Studio Developer. When your app is ready, go into Devices Settings, hit Apps, tap on Default Apps and choose Home App to apply Launcher Pro by clicking on it. As you can see, my launcher was successfully applied. If you want to make some changes, you need to go into Launcher app. If you want to go back to your default launcher, go into the same settings and tap on the Quick Step. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!